Welcome to the Daily Health Boosters channel. Today we will talk about what are the 12 cancer signs mostly ignored by women. If this subject interests you in any way, please subscribe to the channel and leave your like to support our work. It is common knowledge that cancer can be a silent disease at first, and although women are more health conscious than men, some symptoms often go unnoticed or ignored. What might these symptoms be? We will see all of these below. 1. Inexplicable weight loss. Weight loss with no apparent cause can be a symptom of cancer. Some women may even be happy to lose weight, but when the weight loss is not related to diet and physical activity, you need to see a doctor. Cancer cells usually use a lot of energy, which can lead to weight loss. Another probable cause is thyroid problems. 2. Abdominal distension. Some women think that abdominal bloating is linked to the menstrual cycle. But, if it occurs every time and for several weeks, it is better to seek a doctor. This can be a symptom of ovarian cancer, as well as other digestive problems, abdominal or pelvic pain, feeling bloated without eating much, and urgency to urinate. Some cancers cause fluid to accumulate in the abdomen, which can make the patient feel bloated and uncomfortable. Excess fluid can also push the lungs upward and make breathing difficult. 3. Changes in the breast. Breast self-examination is important to look for possible lumps. However, this is not the only symptom of breast cancer. Redness, itching and secretion are signs that should be taken into consideration, as well as nipple retraction. Remember to have your mammogram annually after age 40, and breast ultrasound before that age. A lump or area that is harder, different from the rest of the breast. These are the changes most related to breast cancer. A change in the skin of the breast, such as shrinkage or the appearance of an orange peel. Spontaneous outpouring of fluid from the nipple and inversion of the nipples. Sunken nipples that burrow into the breast can also indicate the disease. 4. Bleeding. If you have a regular period, untimely bleeding can be a sign that something is wrong with your health. For menopausal women, you should be extra careful with this symptom. Bleeding may indicate endometrial cancer. So can anal bleeding. It is important and should not be ignored, because it may indicate bowel cancer. 5. Changes in the skin. Non-melanoma skin cancer is a very common type of cancer in many regions of the world. In addition to the classic symptoms, such as spots, stains and warts, changes in skin pigmentation, bleeding or excessive flaking should be considered. Since melanoma can be very aggressive, don't wait too long to see your doctor. The main symptoms of skin cancer are spots that are itchy, scaling, or bleeding. Signs or spots that change size, shape, or color. Sores that do not heal within 4 weeks. 6. Difficulty swallowing. Difficulty swallowing can be a symptom of stomach or rhinopharynx cancer. It is best to see a doctor when this symptom becomes persistent. Nodules in the neck, difficulty swallowing, and unexplained weight loss may indicate a tumor. The throat, like the mouth, participates in breathing, speaking, eating and swallowing, and contains various types of cells and tissues in which different types of tumors may develop. 7. Presence of blood, or bleeding. In the anal region, it may indicate only a hemorrhoid, but may be a symptom of colon cancer. Blood in the urine may indicate kidney cancer or a more serious urinary tract infection. When these bleedings are persistent, it is best to see a doctor. Cancer of the anus, also called anal cancer, is a rare type of cancer characterized mainly by bleeding and anal pain, especially during evacuation. This type of cancer is most common in people over 50 years of age who have anal sex or who are infected with the HPV and HIV viruses. In most cases, blood in the urine is the first warning sign of bladder cancer. Sometimes, there is not enough blood to change the color of the urine. Depending on the amount of blood, the urine can have an orange color or, less often, a dark red color. 8. Indigestion. When indigestion has no connection with any other health problem, such as obesity or pregnancy, for example, it can be a sign of cancer of the esophagus, stomach and throat. Concern should only occur if the episodes start to recur frequently. At first, the main symptoms are indigestion, bloating sensation after meals, heartburn, mild nausea, and loss of appetite. 9. Changes in the mouth. White spots or white dots on the tongue can be a sign of a precancerous condition called leukoplakia, which can lead to mouth cancer. It is more common in smokers. It is best to consult a dentist for a better evaluation. Leukoplakia is a condition in which thick, white patches or lesions appear inside the mouth, usually on the gums or cheeks, and are caused by cellular overgrowth. The lesions can vary in appearance, but are usually white or gray and have thick, raised edges and a hard surface. 10. Changes in the lymph nodes. An enlargement of the lymph nodes in the axilla or neck can be a sign of a cancer. If the lump has been growing in size for more than a month, see your doctor. It may just be an infection, but it could be cancer. Normal lymph nodes are small and can be difficult to diagnose. But when there is an infection, inflammation, or cancer, lymph nodes can become larger. Those located near the surface of the body can be palpated and some can even be seen. 11. Loss of appetite. Some types of cancer, such as ovarian, pancreatic, and stomach cancer, can often cause loss of appetite because they affect metabolism. Cancer-related weight loss can be severe because the person also loses muscle mass. Appetite loss also occurs in 80% to 90% of people with advanced cancer. 12. Back pain. Back pain is usually not the first symptom of a malignant cancer developing in your body. This is why doctors use routine medical tests to screen for certain types of cancer before they have a chance to spread. With all the points discussed in this video, you can see that even a simple symptom can be a warning sign of cancer. That's why it's important to get regular tests and see a doctor in case of any strange sensation or discomfort. Did you like the video? Remember to share it, so that more people have access to this knowledge. We hope we have helped you. We wish you good health. See you soon.